We're noticing a dangerous trend here in the last 30 days that I thought I'd share with you guys. We've had 4 suspension failures that we've found in the shop here. 2 of them caused by rust, and 2 of them caused by vehicles that had been inspected, estimated for repairs, but the repairs weren't done. This is one of them that was inspected and the repairs weren't done. You can see where the ball joint, this is the actual joint of the ball, and the joint body here separated. And when it did, the control arm, which is the main structure of the lower suspension, separated, allowing the whole tire and wheel assembly to go wherever it wanted to. It even separated and destroyed the axle shaft on the inner CV joint next to the transmission. We've had 2 of them do the suspension failure, and we've had 2 of them fail due to rust. And what this boils down to is the service periods on cars nowadays is so long, 7,500, 10,000 miles between oil changes. I think a dangerous trend has started where folks just slip into a quick lube and have the oil changed, and that's it. That's all those guys do. An oil change needs to be viewed as an oil service, because while the oil changes due, there are other items like inspecting suspension components that are part of the regular maintenance list. It's important to get a car in on a regular basis to prevent suspension failures like this before additional damage is caused, or worse yet, an accident. Regular maintenance, regular periods, qualified shop will keep you safe.